All right, as we begin our Friday night, we noticeably have cooled off here in the valley. 20 to 30 degrees cooler in the purple zone here. Still hot, still muggy out toward the Twin Cities, and that's where the risk for severe weather is greater now as we head into the evening hours. Current temperatures have cooled in from the 90s yesterday into the 60s now. That's that part of that temperature change. And heat indices last night at this time in Fargo, triple digits, and now are down into the 60s. Here's a look at that latest radar. Active storms working their way along the I-94 corridor toward Minneapolis and toward Duluth. That is the area of concern for now. Some showers and thunderstorms that are still strong with very heavy rain here where you see the oranges and reds moving through Bemidji out towards Black Duck and in towards Walker. And then a swirling area of just good old-fashioned rain showers there while it remains quiet now for our western and southeast North Dakota counties as we take a look at Sauk Center. Still active thunderstorm warnings there. We're watching this area, including the Brainerd Lakes area, for some rotation in the storms as this area does have a lot of spin in the atmosphere as those storms form. For us, Park Rapids all the way up north and in towards Bemidji and points east. We have a line segment of thunderstorms working its way east. We're behind it, more rain in store for that area. So we look to the north, northern Clearwater County from Bagley and points north, seeing heavy rain. That continues into Lake of the Woods County as I sneak back so you can catch that. War Road and Roseau a little drier at this time, but off to the east you got this spiraling area of low pressure here that's kind of spinning, slowly moving with bands of moderate to heavy rain at times. And that heavy rain has added up in some spots. Active flash flood warning. This is Gary Monoman area, and that's a lot of rain estimated by Doppler radar and measured in the area. Here's a look at those estimates where you see the purple and the bullseye, if you will. 9.7 inches of rainfall estimated near Fertile, near Monoman, and in between in northern Norman, northern Monoman, and south central Polk counties. Again, another look at our current cool pool of air. 60 Grand Forks, 72 Alexandria, Aberdeen still summer-like, and 79 Bismarck also in the upper 70s. Those dew points have fallen from those mid-70s down to the 50s up north as we start to dry things out. The muggy and sticky air you can wear is heading down toward southeast Minnesota. Here's a look at that Valley Skycam as we see the dark clouds off to the east, really just producing bands of more of that heavy, soupy, sticky rain. 63 with a feels like temperature of 63. Gusts of wind are 31 miles per hour. That northerly wind ushering in cooler and drier air. Here's that swirly swirl pool up of the Northern Valley. Watch as we set things into motion. The severe weather exits off to the east. That exits to the north. Hit and miss showers on the backside of this as some drier air punches in. And we will be quiet for most of the overnight hours, but we could see some patchy, very dense fog with all this new added moisture to the surface. So watch for that. Starting our day with temperatures that'll be very close to those 40s in the far north. We'll have 50s elsewhere. Sunshine aplenty, and look at this. Shh. Quiet, meteorologist. We don't want to hear from you for a while. And that's the way it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be quiet. We cannot rule out in the northern portion of our viewing area some hit and miss showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. But all in all, way quieter than the last couple of days and cooler as well. No 80s or 90s in the forecast for most, heading into the 60s for your evening. Now let's take a look at your planning forecast for Fargo. 55 to start, ramping it up on a sunny day. We could have some morning fog, by the way, but we'll be near 80 for the afternoon. The wind shouldn't be too bad. It'll be westerly or northwesterly across our region with a lot of mid 70s up north, near 80 down to the south. Lakes country, if you're heading out there, mid 70s. Look at this Shelfie McShelferson cloud as it works its way in. Big Cormorant Lake. Allison, thanks for snapping your photo. Been a wild one out there, and many of you have sent photos. Sunday, more quiet weather. Andrea, looks good. Then on Monday, all the way through Friday, things look quiet, Andrea. Really nice. I'm liking it. Look at this. No red ones on there. That means no first alert weather days. Back to you.
I'm still stuck on the Shelfie McShelferson comment.
It's been a whirlwind for the last couple days. Yeah.
Like 2 hours of sleep or less.
Right.
Thank you, Hutch.
Yeah.